This is a really popular style that we have right here. This is a 12 by 24 Lofted Barn Garage with the metal sided upgrade. So I recently sold this building last weekend. We're waiting on this to get delivered. But it has the vertical metal, it has the rat guard trim around the bottom so mice doesn't get up in the ribs of the exterior metal. It has a 9 by 7 roll-up door with a rubber gasket on the bottom right here, and then it has a header seal right here. It's to keep little small birds and stuff from flying into that little gap that these roll-up doors create. So all our 12 wide and up buildings have 4 runners underneath here. Those are 4 by 6s, and our floor joists are 2 by 6. Now in a garage, they're on 12-inch centers to support the weight of a car. So you can actually put a car inside of this building. We offer this in the LP Smart side like these other sheds as well. This just happens to be one of the metal upgrade. So on this size, that metal upgrade is currently $700. I'm going to roll this up. So these have exterior locks. You cannot lock them from the inside. You have your diamond plated threshold right here, so you can put some ramps on there to get your vehicle or your side-by-side golf cart up in the building. This is 3/4 inch LP Legacy tongue and groove flooring. You have a 8-foot loft in the back. You have 2 3 by 3 windows, and then this door opens to the outside, so you're not accidentally opening that door on the inside and hit your car. Our 12-foot wide buildings are 10 foot 7 inches on the inside. The 12-foot is actually the outside measurement. So you have a loft above the roll-up door as well, and that's 4 foot deep up there. And we actually raise this loft up higher so you can get the full access of this garage door. Because what happens most of the time is if you're pulling a golf cart in, that thing's on an angle going up, and if your loft was lower, it would hit. So we recently, last 2 or 3 years, we've changed that design to raise this loft up higher. Yeah, you do lose some of the up and down storage space, but there's still a lot of volume you can get up there with some totes and things like that. So on the metal sided buildings, instead of the walls being on 16-inch centers, they're on 2-foot centers. You still have the double 2x4 every 4 feet around the perimeter and the double corner. The reason why it's on a 2-foot center is because you got this OSB sheathing and the metal, so the wall studs don't need to be that close. The wall is still extremely strong with those 2 different exterior layers. Again, we build this building up to 16 by 54. This currently is $250 down, $391 a month on our no credit check payment plan. Now prices do change periodically, usually 5 or 10% based off of what lumber is doing and fuel prices, gas, oil prices around the world. If you want to custom build one, you can click the link in the description, go to our website, shedandtrailer.com. You can also apply for our rent-to-own no credit check payment plan on that website as well. And we offer these in a couple of states: Virginia, West Virginia, North Carolina, Maryland, parts of Maryland, Pennsylvania, Western Kentucky, and Western Tennessee. So if you're interested in this building or anything else, you want to check out another design, you can click right here, see what else we have to offer here at Shed and Trailer Supply.